Our topic here. So we have another theorem that I'm going to share to you. So this theorem is SAS similarity theorem, which states that if two sides of one triangle are proportional to the corresponding two sides of another triangle, and their respective included angles are congruent, then the similar or the triangles are similar. So for example, if I have here the measurement side of AB, which is in here, so over DE, so there is also a measurement, same measurement here, na sides, that is equal to BC. BC has already given here, and EF also have their measurement side. And if they have the same, okay, if they have the same angles, like in here, they have the same angles or congruent angles, then we can finally say that these two triangles are similar. Okay? Kapag ka proportion or ang ratio nito ay parehas lang sa dito, okay? Tapos parehas sila ng angles, then these two triangles are the same or similar. Okay? That is side angle side similarity theorem. Also, if there is a side angle side, we have side side side. What if our given here is all sides without angles? No? Ang sabi dito, if the sides of one triangles are proportional to the corresponding sides of a second triangle, then the triangles are similar. So, ang sinasabi lang dito, if you have this particular sides, for example, this is proportional, AB is proportional to this one. Also, same with the ratio of this one, 5 and 10. Same with the ratio of 4 and 8. Okay, BC and EF. Like, ito yung mathematical representation nun. They have the same or common ratio. Then, the triangles, these two triangles are similar as well. Okay? So with that, let's have a first example. Um, for example number 8, we have the SAS similarity theorem examples. So the question would be, are the two triangles are similar? For example number 8. So let's justify. So this triangle LOV, no? There is a measurement angle 30 degrees. Also we have 10 in LV, we have 12 in V. Same with given here, same angle, and then 15 for RV, CV, CY, sorry, would be 18. Okay? So we all know that LV, no? LV is proportion to RY. Again, LV, this LV is proportion to RY. Okay? So that is equal to, we have 10, which is in the LV, and then RY would be 15, and that is equal to the lowest term 2 thirds. Okay? OV, no? Also, the ratio of OV is similar or congruent. The ratio of OV and CY, okay? CY is 12 over 18. When we get the similar terms or the LCD or the lowest term, so we have 2 thirds as well. Okay? So two pairs of corresponding sides are proportional, no? Then we have a 10 over 15, okay? So 10 over 15 is equal to 12 over 18, no? Now, for us to find the following things, or for us to justify our answers, so we have the measurement angle V is 30. Also, that is the measurement angle Y as well. So we have the measurement angle V and the measurement angle Y. So they are the same, right? So they are common. Now, therefore, we conclude that, okay, we finally conclude that the triangle LOV is similar to triangle RCY. Okay? By this SAS similarity theorem. So, ang kailangan naman talaga natin ma-prove dito na ang ratio ba nito ay equal ba sa ratio nitong given na to? Kasi side, no? At yung angle ba nila ay parehas? If they are congruent, tapos ang ratio nila ay parehas lang, no, then we can say that these two triangles are similar by this particular theorem. Okay? And for you to practice your brain, so you can try this example and I want you to justify your answer. Huh? So find out how these two triangles are similar.